Good afternoon from Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in not so sunny Lauderdale by the Sea, Florida. Kind of rainy week for us this week. I don't know how your weekend was with 4th of July. Not many big fireworks, not any fireworks shows locally. However, it looked like every little home and every little community had tons of personal fireworks going off. It was kind of fun to sit and watch all night. Little fireworks going off all over the community. Hope your 4th of July weekend was fun and safe as well. Let's take a look at today's precious metals prices and see what's going on here. World spot markets are closed right now. They open in 42 minutes here, and it looks like New York is closed. So we'll use New York right now. New York closed at 1788.50, a low of 1779, a high of 1788. And as I've been talking about for the last few weeks, we are trading, I believe, in that 1775 range right now. Next tick up. And the next mark we should see is $1,800 plus. Let's see if it breaks at $1,800 anytime soon, or if it takes a few weeks to get there. But meanwhile, I think it's hanging on to the 1775 level, and 1750 is kind of a new temporary base. At least it appears so. Silver chugging along really nicely, and again, silver is that 100 to 1 ratio. It's less than 100 to 1 now. I'm not quite sure what the math is. Not too much less, but at one point the ratio was huge. It was like 120, 130 to 1. We were figuring silver had to play catch up, and I was saying silver had to play catch up, and it did, and it's starting to. And let's take a look at here. The low 1823, the high 1850. Again, we're taking these little 25 and 50 cent moves every, it takes a week or two. This week, actually, with gold and silver, it did make that $25 move rather quick. I'm really kind of expecting at least a little pullback here sometime soon, but I just haven't seen it. So as I said, I think we're going to see continuing prices jumping up $25, $50 increments. If you see that every couple weeks, every week or every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you see it make that $25 mark or $50 mark in gold and that 25 and 50 cent mark in silver, and it hangs on to it and then starts attacking the next 25 and 50 cent level. We're in a good bull market, I believe, so you're going to continue to see this, and that's healthy. However, also healthy is when you see pullbacks. I mean, we could see a pullback to $1,700 in gold. We could see a pullback to $1,750 in silver, even more, but it won't stay there long, and you'd be hard-pressed to find any physical buyers that would sell at that level. You might be able to find ETFs and paper contracts and make some quick money there if that's what your goal is. If your goal is long-term wealth storage and long-term wealth and hanging on to stuff and having no third-party risk or very little third-party risk other than hiding it well, gold and silver and platinum physical markets are the place to be. Platinum up a little bit too. Like silver, I think platinum is way underpriced, and it'll play catch up as well sometimes. Palladium sitting at the $1,900 range and just hanging below that $2,000 range. But again, I don't sell much palladium. Very few people ask, and it's kind of really a specialty market, I think. I don't know much about it. However, if you call me, I can tell you as much as I know. Let's take a look at the Wall Street Journal, because I'm always saying that I like to look at the Wall Street Journal because of potential black swan. I don't want to call them black swan events, but events that can move gold prices or that you feel can move gold prices. And give you an idea what gold prices might do. And a good example of that would be when Bernanke, or not Bernanke, but when they come out and say, Powell comes out and says he's going to spin the printing presses up, so to speak. We're going to print more money. We're going to bail out more companies. That's nothing but good for gold. So when you see that stuff, it's usually a good sign for precious metal prices. And let's take a look over here. Dow is up 459 points. A lot of people have always asked me, they said, Brian, it seems like the stock market and the gold prices are kind of like, when stocks go up, gold goes down, and vice versa. Well, not really the case, and here's a perfect example of that. Today we're up 459 in the Dow Jones, which is it's a pretty good move, 1.78 to almost 2% during the day since Friday. And gold is up as well today. So, I mean, really that kind of blows that whole trade, that whole idea of trading on that kind of data right out the window. It's really not true. You can't really look at these and say that they go hand in hand. They do occasionally, like the oil markets way back when. So I'm going to kind of view over, and there's not much here. Same old stuff, I'll say. Same old stuff going on here. Nothing new. I don't see anything changing. U.S. stock price, blah, blah, blah. I don't see anything changing gold prices or anything dramatically here soon. And again, I think we're just going to see this chug up, slow chug up. So that's really about it for today. I'm going to try to keep it short and sweet, and I think I did. I'm not sure how many minutes this video took, But this is Brian Kuzmar with Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in Lauderdale by the Sea. You can call us at any time between, boy, my mouth is going not the same way as my lips here. You can call us anytime between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Mondays through Fridays at 954-493-8811. Happy to answer any of your questions about precious metals, gold, silver, platinum. We've been doing this, I've been doing this personally for 40-something years now, and we've been in the same location since 1995. So feel free to give us a call. I can give you some great advice. And we also have a brick and mortar store, as you can tell. So we sell this product here, and we buy this product here. And you can actually come and see it, feel it, and look at it before you buy it, which you can't do online. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. Keep up with my report tomorrow. This is Brian Kuzmar from Commercial Rare Coins. Y'all have a great evening. Thanks.